Hello, Viget is here. Yeah. So if you really want to learn German language, come over here. I have very best technique to give you a best module, a best content in German language. If you really want to crack your Goethe even examination, Goethe A2, B1, B2 and C1, come over here. Kommen Sie here. Bitte, please. Du willst wirklich verstehen. You really want to understand. Du willst wirklich sprechen. You really want to speak. Du willst wirklich hören. Hören to listen. You really want to listen. You really want to improve your skill. I really want to improve my skills in German language. Fähigkeiten. What is Fähigkeiten? Is my skills. Verbessern to improve. Du willst wirklich etwas verbessern. You really want to improve something. Now, what if, see, I'm driving a car, ich fahre ein Auto. Right now, I'm just driving a car. So, it doesn't matter whether you drive, you drive a car, whether you are sitting somewhere else, whether you are eating. It is just you have to speak upon. Right. So, my friends, in the end, I would say you really want to improve your skills in German language. It's been 18 years I'm in this German language industry. I have done a lot of things. I was working as a translator, I was working as an interpretation also. So come over here and learn the language. Du willst wirklich lernen, you really want to learn. Du willst wirklich listen, you really want to read something. Du willst wirklich etwas schreiben, you really want to write something. Schreiben is to write. I really want to do something in German language. I really want. What is I? Ich. Really, wirklich, want. We have verb müssen and wollen verb. So what I can say, ich will, wirklich, I really want. To do something, etwas in eine Fremdsprache tun, or either we can say machen. So that's how we can do a lot of things in the German language. I can give you the best content, my friends. I can give the best module in German language. Come over here, kommen Sie hier bitte. Come over here, please. And in the end, again, I would say, du willst wirklich sprechen, du willst wirklich lernen, you really want to learn, kommen Sie hier bitte. Now, for example, I've seen a lot of students, they have challenges. The moment, what is challenge? Herausforderung. Herausforderung, you face, still is a vocab to face, you face some challenges. Here's Herausforderung. Now, for example, if I asked you, speak something in pollution and you were stuck, I'm sure whether you have cleared a B1 and B2 examination. But over here, I give you some techniques. Oh, ja, es ist ein großes Problem. Es ist eine große Bedrohung. It is a big threat. Es ist eine große Bedrohung. Es ist eine Gefahr für die Gesellschaft. This is a big danger for the society. Es ist eine Bedrohung für die Welt. This is a big threat for this world. Warum dieses Problem existieren? Then why this problem exists? Warum dieses Problem exists in Wörterbuch? Why this problem exists in the dictionary? So that's how we use benutzen is to use we. Whatever we are talking, we'll apply the same thing in German. Why we are using? If you really want to use something, benutzen, nutzen. A lot of things I would say in German language, my friends. So, my friends, you really want to learn, du willst wirklich lernen, kommen Sie hier bitte, come over here, okay? Auf Wiedersehen, bye bye, tschüss.